Hi guys, it's Barbara with Canines Over Coffee, and we, as you may know, we feed raw food, and we just got our latest food package, raw food package, delivered right to our front door in this thermosafe insulated chipper. We bought 40 pounds of total meat, well actually 42 pounds, 20 pounds of that are complete beef, and 20 pounds are complete chicken. And then we also got 2 pounds of meaty goat bones, goat necks actually. So the 20 pounds of the complete chicken consists of 80% meat, 10% bone, and 10% organ, and the same goes for the beef. So it consists of 80% beef, meat essentially, and 10% bone and 10% organ. So, are you ready to unpack? We're going to have to put that in the freezer, okay? Alrighty. Let's grab some scissors and open up. Alright. Okay. Yep. So this is what we got. Two pounds of meaty goat bones for $7.99. A special on the complete beef value pack for 20 pounds. So 20 pounds for $95.96. And the same price for the chicken. So we spent a total of $199.91. And as a result, got free shipping because anything above $199 gets free shipping. As far as their raw frozen food is concerned anyways, choose ship free if you order at least $49 worth of chews, I think. That's what it is. Alright, so, and we also got a card. Let's see what we got. The card says, just wanted you to know we really appreciate your order. Thank you and enjoy. Your RawPaws packing specialist. Not sure what that signature says, but it's definitely someone who signed that for me. So we do appreciate a little special card, don't we? Yes. Yes, we do. There. Okay. So let's get to the goodies. Are you ready, puppies? Yeah, here are our meaty goat bones. Yay! Oh, we're looking forward to those. We haven't tried those yet, but we've tried the duck bones and they were awesome. Well, the pups thought they were awesome anyways. What I really liked about them is that they actually have that crunch factor. You want to dig right into it. Now we're going to have to wait a little bit, puppy. And they're actually great for helping to clean those canine pearlies. Let's see. Yep. So the goat meaty bones. So that actually came off of that pack. But that's what's in there. Goat meaty bones. It's good stuff, huh, girly? So 100% all natural, never cooked, USDA inspected, no preservatives, no fillers, no additives, gluten and grain free, and corn and soy free. So 100% natural goat bones. 2 pounds of it. There we go. All right, well, and then we're going to have 20 pounds worth of the complete chicken and 20 pounds of the complete beef. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, so this is the complete chicken. Again, which contains 80% meat, 10% bone, and 10% organ. So raw feeding does not get any more convenient than this, guys. You don't have to worry about finding the right ratio of 80% meat, 10% bone, 10% organ yourself. and adding, the right kind of vitamins and minerals to it. Thank you for licking my hand, buddy. You just order it pre-put together, essentially. You defrost it, you thaw it, and that's it, and you serve it. So, easy peasy. Alright. So we should have 4 of the chicken rolls, and then 4 of the beef bones. And my goodness, are they ever so cold. Whew. Okay, so that's chicken. Where's the beef? Here's the beef. All right. Here's the beef, puppies. Want to show the beef off? So that's the complete beef. Again, it consists of 80% meat, 10% bone, 10% organ, raw feeding, super easy. Man, that's cold. Whew. Okay. Well, so then all we're gonna have to do is put them in the freezer section of our fridge. Let's do that. We're actually down to 1 5-pound tube of the complete beef. So that shipment came in perfect timing. Alright, you know what, guys? My fingers are so incredibly cold right now that I need to take a quick break and finish unpacking that later because, or in a little bit, because they're just so cold. I mean, they really are. They come to your doorstep in like in a frozen state. Like they are. There's nothing leaking, no blood, no nothing. They are 100% solid, frozen. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed a little unpacking of the RawPaws Pet Food raw meat. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check our blog at canines-over-coffee.com. I write a lot about, how dogs stay healthy by eating the right kind of nutrition, ideally home cooked or raw, and providing regular, daily, breed-specific exercise. So stay tuned for posts about those 2 topics. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.